What is going on, guys? Alan here, back with another exciting video for you guys. We got 2 meets today, but before I go, my car's embarrassingly filthy, so I'm gonna wash it, and I'll see you guys in the car when I'm headed to the first meet. All right, the car is spotless. We are ready to roll. All right, we are now headed for the first meet, and meet time's 8 o'clock. It's 8:13, and we got about a 30-minute drive ahead of us, so by the time we get there, it should already be pretty packed. And I've never been to this meet, so I don't really know what the turnout's gonna be, but I know the second meet we got for us is gonna be really good. It's gonna be packed, so stay tuned for that. There's supposed to be some Mexico stuff going on at the second meet. All right, I've made it to the meet. Kind of got a parking garage thing going on here, so got a clean Z over there, slam beamer. This paint is fucking mint. I like the paint. Carbon hood. All right, we're rolling 3D. Look at that thing. Copyright. Damn, look at that tailpipe. That's crazy. Man, it's a lot better turnout than I expected, really. So pretty good for Northern Kentucky standards. This thing is clean. Look at that. With the blue seats, I like it. Carbon fenders. Bad Luck Club. Oh, you should. Nice. This Z's got the carbon fenders, carbon hood, carbon mirror caps. I hear rice. Anti-fear, fear club. Man, this thing is clean. What? That's sick. Hello, Miata. Man, his engine bay is clean too. Man, I hope they stop playing music so I don't get copyrighted.
We're driving by going to the skate park.
Yeah.
We saw this posted up. We slammed on our brakes. We threw it in reverse.
Yeah.
The shop owner saw us do that. He invited us inside.
Really?
Yeah,
Dude,
it's like a $10 million collection.
No shit, dude. You just stumbled up on it? That's crazy. That thing's sweet, man. That's a wild lineup. All right, guys, we are headed to the exciting part of the video. The first meet, I probably won't get to use a lot of the footage because this guy was playing music and it's all gonna get copyrighted. I mean, there were some cool cars there, but this meet's gonna be a lot better. So I'll see you guys when I get there, and hopefully we see some cool action. Oh shit, big turbo.
I wonder if it is though, because those are M3.
Dude, I thought he was about to hit the fucking post.
I think he did.
Did he? Dude, I think he hit the post. What? Dude, that's insane. I shit you not, that guy is fucking this far from that post.
He probably bounced off of it.
Maybe. I didn't see anything on the bumper, but like,
Got lucky.
This actually got pretty clean.
Yeah.
Got my little paddle shifters.
Okay. Dude, this thing's mean.
So you want to look at it?
Yep. Yeah.
So you can sit in it if you want, dude. I don't care.
Yeah, dude, that thing's tough.
Appreciate
Cayman
it.
S.
Yeah, Cayman S.
Somebody, his cousin or whatever was like, he was like, yeah, some dude just put up in a 911. I was like, yeah.
What?
Some Asian dude just put up in a 911. I was like, no.
That's gotta be racist.
I was like, I don't think it's a 911.
Nah. You know, appreciate it, man.
Caymans are so nice.
Appreciate it. Yeah. They're you know, they're pretty sweet. Like you get them both.
You get the 911 style for not the 911 price.
For sure. Yeah. Yo, what? Dude, this thing is wild, dude. Slide it.
Hard for me.
Oh. Yeah, that's a big blower on top. It's got like a bird on top. Yeah, crazy.
Damn, with the vintage plates, it's crazy.
Yeah, bro.
Do you have a cigar to
He came in sliding, man.
That's good.
What? Oh my gosh, he swung that.
He swung me 300. What?
What the fuck is happening?
He swung that Chrysler 300 with the front
Yeah.
headlight out.
Looks like he's got fucking American Porsches on that rig, dude. God damn.
Bro's got offset.
Got 22x12s on that thing. This road's like nobody ever goes down it. Like literally,
It's super country.
only the people who live there go down. It's
Yeah.
like past. We're fucking driving to his dad's house, and he's like, "You ever drifted a front-wheel drive car before?" And I'm like, "No. What the fuck are you talking about? Front-wheel drive cars can't drift." And then we fucking go around this turn. He like yanks the fucking e-brake,
It's literally a 90
slide
degree
off
turn.
the fucking road, dude. The ground was wet, or it probably would have rolled. The car.
Wait,
probably
did
would've
you
rolled.
do it?
Yes, he was driving. I was
Yeah.
in the passenger seat, holding on. Dude, yeah, we lived. He looked at me and laughed, and I was like, life just flashed before my eyes.
The only reason
If the grass and shit wouldn't have been wet, we would 100% rolled that fucking car. Sketchy.
it was
It-
lightweight. Oh yeah. Like the trans and the rear end and the chassis, get on that, just put a mostly stock motor in it, and then go the opposite direction and sit.
The white TVs, man.
See, I like the flickers.
Yeah. These are nice.
Oh, this great.
Dude, this thing is.
Whoop ass. Whoop ass or whoop a SS. Like, you know, it could be either one. You know?
Hey, dude.
God, look at that tire.
Got a tire on it. That's for sure.
There you go.
We're S3.
Here and outside.
Yeah, here and now. Yeah.
He drives to the Riverside every year. I see him at level 3.
What is this?
Do you know them?
I just met him tonight.
Hey, are you listening? Yeah, you are, because we're on the right weekend. Good luck. He's got like 2 or 3 of those.
So it's 2 a.m. so I'm heading home from the meet. I'm a little tired, so like always, drop a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and subscribe if you want to see more like this. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.